Welcome to the wonderful world of Walt Disney World on October 1st, 2019, which makes it the birthday of Walt Disney World. And not only the birthday of that, the birthday of the park which you are laying eyes upon right now. It is the 37th birthday of Epcot. Hey guys, Tampa J here, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Walt Disney World. I drove out here tonight because I wanted to see the very first show of Epcot Forever, the new fireworks show that will be happening here every evening until the end of time, until something else changes. See, last night was the wrap-up of Illuminations, the show that took place here every night since, I believe, 1999. So tonight, October 1st, 2019, is a moment of Walt Disney World history, and that's the reason why I got off of work in Tampa and rocketed over here so I could see it. And of course, like I always say, wherever I go, you're coming too. So without further ado, let's go to World Showcase and check out this brand new epic Epcot Forever fireworks show. As I was saying before, Walt Disney World could not have picked a more perfect and beautiful night for the premiere of Epcot Forever. I arrived almost 2 hours early. However, I've got a great spot almost dead center of World Showcase. And there is the cameras setting up and all the controls for the new show. This is so exciting. I expected to be a few more people here than there is right now. It's actually not so bad. I don't want to lose my spot, so I think I'll just stay put. But the show will start soon for all of us, my friends. I'm glad you're here with me. It wouldn't be the same without you.
World Showcase will come alive with amazing color and light as we journey through Epcot's past and leap into its exciting future. The show can be experienced from all around the World Showcase Lagoon. Remember, tonight's performance of Epcot Forever begins at 9 o'clock this evening. Spaceship
Earth will also be watching the show for the first time tonight too. Now this is starting to look more like it. People are gathering around just moments away from the first show. 40 seconds into the show.
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works best when it's set free.
Making memories, taking pictures is making memories, catching little pieces of time, making them yours, making them mine. Veggie fruit, veggie fruit, veggie fruit, veggie fruit. You'll see what they can be. It's hard to
Oh, that was cool. Woo!
May peace go with you forever and ever as you celebrate the future hand in hand.
Oh. Whoa, that's awesome. Whoa. There goes some more kites. America, spread your golden wings. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa, that is awesome. We're going all the way around the world.
The dreams we dream, the hopes inside us, ignite the path we take to guide us. And hand in hand, the future is unfurled from just one smile.
Oh, a little Aladdin here.
Epcot is and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
seconds. I think that's the end of it.
Thank you for joining us for Epcot Forever. As you take your next steps into the future, we hope you'll continue exploring, creating, and discovering wherever you go. Remember, it only takes one little spark of inspiration to unlock the possibilities of tomorrow. From all of us here at Epcot, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
All right, guys, it's after the show. That was amazing. And look who I have here. The man behind the scenes was part of the show. I'm just gonna let you introduce yourself. You've been here before.
I've been here before. I've been on this channel before. I'm Drayton with World's Greatest Kiting. Tonight was one of the world's greatest nights in kiting, I think.
It was the world's greatest kiting now, the world of Walt Disney World, Epcot.
Walt Disney World's greatest kiting.
Yes.
For sure. That was such a rad trip.
Dude, that was amazing. And like, I liked the music from all the attractions here, and then I heard Aladdin and the kites. And
yeah, there's some excerpts from Soarin'. If you've been on the ride Soarin', you can hear Walt
Disney
in it. There's some other little secret snippets in there for you Disney
imagination
folks out there. Yeah, there's imagination. There's some hidden ones in there too.
Yeah,
you have to listen pretty closely.
Well, I want to say, hey, congratulations on working your butt off.
Thanks, man.
Drayton here his company was behind the scenes. He's the man that's been putting all this together, the kiting specifically. If you saw the kites in the show, this man was flying one of these kites.
Epcot World Travelers.
Whoa.
Thank you for joining us for the
I think it's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
One second.
Epcot is a place where exploration and innovation take precedence.
It's closing the.
Oh, they're closing the gate. All right, we gotta go.
And run free.
All right,
see everybody.
Thanks, Drayton. It was good to see you, man. You gotta get back to your place.
I will. I'll see you later. See
All
you.
right, munch ahead, my friend. Well, guys, unfortunately, this is going to be the end of it. I hope you enjoyed the very first night of Epcot Forever on Walt Disney World's birthday, on Epcot's birthday, and it was so cool to actually talk to Drayton that's been working on this show for several months now. Before he had to go, he did tell me that they have been coming out here at 3 a.m. for the last 2 months to run practices of Epcot Forever. So he hasn't slept a lot, and now he's going to be able to get a little more rest, but he's going to be working here at Walt Disney World's Epcot 7 days a week for a long time until they get a replacement. But he did tell me a lot of stuff about Epcot Forever and about behind the scenes, and we are making plans to do something more and go behind the scenes later on this channel for Epcot Forever. So that being said, if it was your first time here, thanks for watching, guys. I love all my subscribers, my patrons. Thanks again for always sticking with me and coming with me. I hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation of the first ever show of Epcot Forever here at Walt Disney World. Well, that being said, I gotta go to work tomorrow back in Tampa, and I got a long drive ahead of me. But even though this is the end of the video, this is not the end of this journey. There's always much ahead, my friends. Very much ahead. Good night, y'all. I'll see you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.